Okay, just basically pulled this Audi A8 in, just threw it up on the lift, about to get to it, do a little work, so we're gonna see what's up. Okay, this is a V8. Go and get a good snapshot view of the engine, see what's up. It's a V8 TFSI. Okay, I'll give you a little shot of what the interior look like. Real cool. It does have butter soft levers with the wood grain, as you can see. Alright, so we're gonna get this bad boy in the air. Pause it for a second. Okay, give a little quick view of the undercarriage. Let me see the type of, I don't know if you can see that. Alright, but I see the type of bolts to get to. Alright, I gotta come back. Need to get my gun. Okay, got my gun now. Let's see if I can get to these bolts. Okay, that's one. Okay, let me come back. Okay, as you know, this is an Audi A8, and there was a video that I put out technically about the 3/8 snap-on bend handle, right? And the versatility of that bent handle. Now, as you can see on this Audi A8, and you can see the housing, this is the pin here, okay? So as you can see how the housing is up behind the pin. Now, this housing doesn't take a flute. This housing actually takes low profile sockets. So I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you what I was talking about in previous videos. Okay, now I got my 3/8, and you can see basically the low profile socket. You can see what I mean if it was locking in that position when I was to go to put it on its head. As you can see, this is basically the bend handle. But this is what I was meaning about that locking feature. If this Ratchet had that locking feature and now was capable of locking right here in this particular position. And as you can see with the low profile socket, and I'm not even using extension. Okay, but this is the versatility, and with the bend handle I can basically use it now just like as using a speed handle to remove it. Okay, now I'm releasing my hand away so that now you can get an even bit better clearance view. Okay, that was just basically an example. Right now I'm waiting for the parts to be delivered, so I'm gonna leave this car for right now. I'm gonna get back to it later. Okay, while I'm waiting for basically the parts for this, I might as well get the multitasking and get to the next job, pull the next vehicle in, see what's going on. Okay, well, I'm basically waiting for some parts for that Audi A8. I'm basically about to get to the next project, pull this in, and we'll see what's going on with the A8 once the parts come in. But I'm glad I got an opportunity to do a little demonstration as far as what I was talking about that snap-on 3/8 drive bent handle ratchet, and how tool brands out there and tool companies should make that handle in a locking flex head bent handle. But we'll get back to it. Yeah, so back in the shop. Let me get this vehicle in the air right here. Like I said, a lot of times when I'm in the shop, you know, there are a lot of techs that I work with, but everybody has different schedules. I basically work more hours and more days than any other technician basically in the shop. So a lot of times when I'm recording, if a technician is in the shop, you know, they're occupied and they're busy about what they're doing at the particular time. So I really don't be having nobody to record me. So I try to record a little bit basically that I can record when I'm inside. Give you a little clear view. See some here. You can see. Okay, parts came in. Just basically basically just got finished getting this Audi A8 together. So about to pull this out. These seats in there. Never sit this close. Alright. Set this. Okay, so basically that's gonna be it on just that video, you know, of the Audi A8 and the little demonstration as far as what I was talking about when basically using a 3/8 drive bent handle, flex head bent handle ratchet. And you know, for all the tool brands out there, you know, when is somebody gonna design one of the locking flex head bent handles? Doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be snap-on. It could be whatever brand, but it is definitely needed in an automotive field. So into the next one, check you later.